Hello viewer, hope you are okay. Today we'll discuss special uses of VLOOKUP value. That is from right to left. We are habituated to take VLOOKUP value from left to right. But today we'll take the value from right to left. But how? Okay. Suppose this is a table with 3 columns. We are ignoring the serial number, no problem. Item code and item number. This is the 2 column of a table. Now, what we generally do, VLOOKUP. If we do the VLOOKUP this value from this table, what will they take? Take the second column and it should be exact match. Mean false, and if we give 0 it will act as false. Then this is, we have already given the function. Now give the lookup value. Lookup value, suppose it should be in the table. Okay, mark generic. So this is the array data, and this table is taking the second column as we mentioned to take the data from the second column, from C3 to D11. This is the C2 to D11. So they have taken the data from this table. It is the general use of VLOOKUP. If we segregate if we see the syntax of VLOOKUP, this is first syntax, this is the lookup value, this is that. Lookup value means what we want to look in the main table, source table. Then array table, source table, from where the lookup value take the data. This is the array table, and if you consider the array table, I think this is only 2 column, but this can be up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and n number of column you can take as per your requirement. But when we give the VLOOKUP formula and give the column number, it takes the column number from the right. First column is always considered the source of lookup value, and then the other column, including the first column, is the value for pickup. But it is always from left to right. But if you want to take the data from right to left, then what will you do? Suppose if we will give this data as a lookup, but he is not taking data because he is searching data right side. This is the VLOOKUP and searching data right side. But it is not available here. This item is not available here. So he is not getting the data. So VLOOKUP function do not take the data from right to left. So we will have to make a tricks to enforce VLOOKUP to take data from right to left. How? This is a table where I have already created a table VLOOKUP array. Here item code is right side and item table is left side. Just reverse of this. Okay. Now how we can do it? Remember about the array table. In the array table, VLOOKUP always search data from left to right. We will have to reverse this table within the VLOOKUP formula. How? Suppose this is, you may know about the choose function. So what choose function generally do? If you choose, yes, what is index say? First we will give the index number. When we will give the index number, just start it with second bracket. Suppose the first index number 2 and second index number is 1, bracket close, comma, and then set the value. This is not any index here. It is just a given name by us. This is the 2 index number, and this is 1. So what will be the value of this 2? So the value of this 2 will be this reference. Then again comma, and then value 2. What will be the value 2? Index number second index number 1, what will be value of this? It is from D column. So if you give the another index name, then we can select another column as the index value. As we have only taken 2 index, then only for 2 value. Just close the bracket and see the magic. Okay, he has already taken this table and just reverse it. One is item code is first and item name is then right. It is just like this, left to right. Okay, this is the features, or this is the functionality of choose. Now we will give a formula with this choose function. How? Okay, first let us see. Give the choose function again here. Choose second bracket, second bracket 2, then 1, second bracket close. What will he take? This is the value of first index, and we should log the reference, then comma, what will be the second? This will be the second, and again log, and then yes. Okay, done. We have taken the table. Now in this function we will give VLOOKUP. What will he VLOOKUP? What will be VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP these cells. And what will be array table? Actually the choose function will be the array table. Then comma at the end. This is the array table. It is just this array table, and then which column you will take? This is the array table, the second column. I mean, if we consider, if we see this table, it is actually created by this function. That what will he take? He will take the second column. So we are giving 2 and then 0 and close. You know what is 0? 0 is for false. Here, yes. Now give the any item code as VLOOKUP, as lookup value. Oh, yes, this is item 5 and this is the item name. So it is taking data from right to left. It is taking data from right to left. So it is absolutely possible to take data from the array table from right to left. I think it will be very useful for you in your daily life and you will enjoy this. If you record this file for your practice, please give your email address in the comment section. Then we must share this file with you. Or if you have any other queries, just let us know through your comment. We must give you the feedback. Thank you very much.